Indian Navy launches Operation Samudra Setu. The Indian Navy on Tuesday launched Operation Samudra Setu to repatriate stuck Indian nationals abroad. As part of the center's plan, Operation Samudra Setu will make advancement in close coordination with Ministers of Defense, External Affairs, Home Affairs, Health, and various other agencies of the Government of India and state governments, the Indian Navy spokesperson stated. Samudra Setu means sea bridge. This naval rescue operation is a part of India's efforts to bring back Indian nationals who are stuck overseas amid COVID-19 pandemic. The whole operation will be carefully executed in different phases. In phase first of Operation Samudra Setu, Indian naval ships Jalashwa and Magar are directed to proceed towards the port of Malé and Republic of Maldives respectively to start the rescue operation starting from 8th May 2020. Indian Navy has planned to rescue a total of 1,000 citizens during its first trip. Further evacuated citizens will be disembarked at the coast of Kochi and Kerala, entrusted to the care of state authorities. Further attempt by center. The government is also set to operate flights to rescue stranded nationals abroad, whose first phase of evacuation shall begin by 7th May 2020. As per the latest report, the flight rescue plan for stranded nationals will run for 1 week starting from 7th May. Around 2,000 people from other countries like UAE, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, and Singapore will be evacuated in the initial phase of the air plan. The center has also clarified that individuals will be charged for the airfare. Punya Srivastav, Joint Secretary of the Home Ministry, highlighted earlier in the day that only asymptomatic persons after the proper screening will be allowed to board the flight. Upon their arrival, they will be once again screened by the respective state authorities and then sent to the home or institutional quarantine center for a period of 14 days, depending upon their screening test. Operation Samudra Setu started on 8th May 2020. Operation Samudra Setu is launched by the Indian Navy. Chief of Naval Staff is Admiral Karamveer Singh. Naval ships Kalashwa and Magar are used in evacuation under Operation Samudra Setu.